Okay, what's up, you guys? Yes. Welcome sa, I don't know kung ilang episode na to ng, as I've counted, nasa 61 videos in a row, no? So, I think, I don't know, supposedly 65 na dapat, kasi everyday ito eh. But, we are on 61 videos, and, um, so ito yung ika-62, no? As I've counted it. Pero yun nga, hopefully is August, June 1 to August, June 1 to August 1, dapat ano na eh. Magti 3 months na tayo, di ba? Or 2 months, July, August. So, dapat nasa 60, oo nga, tama, 61 days. So, this is going to be 62nd na episode, no? Right now, naghihintay na lang ako for whatever reason, no, naghihintay na lang ako to be able to, kasi again, na-restrict ako sa TikTok, as in restricted talaga ako sa TikTok. So, wala akong magawa kundi mag-content. Nagawa ako ng content para sa inyo. Ang init talaga, guys, dito sa Cebu. Recently, parang siyang nagsa-summer ulit. Parang konti na lang magsa-summer ulit tayo sa Pilipinas. Parang ganun siya, no? August 2 in the house, no? So, well, August 2 in the house. So, ayan, hopefully ay nagugustuhan ko pa rin ang mga paparating na mga araw, no? So, again, I'm excited dahil may mga may mga magandang blessings na nangyari sa buhay ko. Aside from being part of Lavori Music Records, I've met a lot of people also who are willing to be part of my journey as well, and who are spiritual beings, no? Ang nakakaganda lang nun is sobrang, supportive nila. And so now I'm just gonna be here telling everyone na yung buhok ko ay lumilipad. Yung buhok ko po ay lumilipad. I really have to get gel out of this. Pero yun, I would just want to inform everyone na marami na ang mga naging blessings ko sa buhay, and I would like to thank everyone for that, no? Also, siguro this will be the end of Shimron Suarez vlogs. Not sure, pero hopefully makapag-extend pa tayo. 62 videos is a lot of videos. And pero although still hanggang ngayon inspiring pa rin kasi talaga si Roman Atwood. So, pero kasi ako in my case, hindi naman kasi ako talaga nakakalabas. So that's why parang ayun grabe yung buhok ko, no? Parang ang kapal na ng buhok ko. Parang sinasabing ang kapal daw talaga ng buhok ko. Makapal siya, pero hindi hindi siya yung tipong mahaba. Hindi siya mahaba na buhok eh. Kapal lang siya. But again, lumilipad-lipad siya. Para kagigising ko lang. Hindi naman ako kagigising lang. It's just that hindi sumusunod sa kanya buhok ko. So anyway, kaya ako nagje-gel, no? Kaya ako nagje-gel dahil doon. But anyway, so going back, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who supports me every single time. Sa Yaw na podcast ko, sa Yaw-Yawers ko dyan, thank you very much for supporting me. Sa Yaw the podcast, we are currently at episode 13 for episode 12 pa, no? Basically episode 12, then we have episode 13, 14 already uploaded as well, and scheduled, no? Then 15, 16, 17, 18, something like that. So palapit na tayo, patapos na ang season, tapos na ang season 1. So season 2 naman, no? And yan, I really do appreciate your time and effort in joining me dito sa ano ko, kahit ganito yung itsura ng buhok ko. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Hindi naman kagigising to. It's just that I don't have you know, pinapalaki ko lang yung buhok ko or pinapataas ko siya para at least meron, I don't know kung totoo ba yung sinasabi nila, kinakain daw ng buhok mo ang nutrients mo. Kaya pwede akong ano, mag slim down dahil dun. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan kong tiisin to kung gusto kong magkaroon ng mapayapang buhay. So ayun lang naman guys, no? Thank you very much for watching, and I love you all very much. I don't think this is the end, pero sabihin na lang natin this will be the end for now, no? Ano na to, this is what 62 videos in a row. Marami-rami na yun, to be honest with you. Then my shorts pa, so a total of 86 to 87 videos na. Marami-rami na yun, pero don't worry, hindi dito magtatapos ang lahat. It's just that it's the end for now. Kasi meron pa akong i-upload the podcast, meron pa akong iba-ibang mga paparating na mga projects alongside the Spectral Entertainment Network. Tumataas na po ang ating dumanami na naman po ulit ang ating people who would like to help sa Spectral Entertainment Network. So yun lang naman tayo for today, you guys. If you're looking at me kung bakit ako tumitingin dyan, it's because nasa harapan nyo yung PC ko. Nasa harapan na ang PC ko, wala na sa gilid. So well, anyway, yun lang naman tayo for today, you guys. Love you all. Bye bye.